Hello, my Forex family. This is Sydney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas. And we are the trading places. Let's go take a look at some trades. I'm in this Cad Yen right now. Look like a good smooth trade. Down 25 or 2.5 pips. Doesn't look like a lot of resistance here. It broke the 370. I entered it at 373 and it retraced, so it tested it. It needs to move forward a little bit. We just need a little volume. That's all. So let's look at euro dollar. It's kind of moving along here. Let me erase this. Heck, what is this going to do? It's kind of in a weird holding pattern. It's moving in a consolidation type pattern, so it's kind of hard to tell what it's going to do, so I wouldn't trade it unless you trade. It just broke this moving average. So if you want to take anything, it'd probably go up a little bit. My guess is as good as yours, but there's no rhyme or reason of what. There's not really a. It's kind of a weird trend, you know. It kind of went up and down and sideways, and anyway, dollar yen. I don't know. Let's get rid of this arrow here, because if you look at it from here, it's moving up. It's got this big support line here, resistance line, I mean. So if it breaks that, it'd probably go north. That's the way I'd look at it. It's in consolidation, but you can't make any decisions because it's in consolidation. And it's typical this time of. So just write this down. I'm looking at a 240-minute chart, so this is a pretty strong trend. So if anything, it's probably going to go north. So write that down. Euro yen. Same thing here. It kind of changed directions yesterday. After this hour comes up, probably 7 o'clock maybe, we'll get a signal for it to go north. So that's probably the way I'd take this trade. Just watch out for news. It's coming off the Bollinger Band here, or the moving average in the Bollinger Band. So we'll see what happens. This is moving average convergence divergence. That's what that means. They call it MACD. I use it for volume. We'll go over that another day because I don't use it too often. You can see volume. You really can. Hold on, where's this here? Anyway, oh look, here's a trade. Looks like it's going to go north. Let's take this one off here. Well, it looks like a trade. Got excited there for a little bit. When it gets here, I'd take it north. Just wait till it breaks the 720.90, 720.90, and do north. Take it north. Pound dollar. Another holding pattern. Let's get rid of this here. Looks like there's going to be some stuff moving tonight during the London session, but nothing really right now, you know. Oh, going through about 7-8 trades and nothing's really popping, you know. Consolidation. Wow. All you gotta do is wait for volume and King Solomon to give you some signals. Pound Swiss. Look at that. When I say consolidation, I mean it's just kind of moving sideways, nothing really up and down, just like. But there's some big moves that usually come out of consolidation, so just kind of a weird time, you know. It's election year, election time. We'll be fine. You got to look at it as, you know, live to trade another day. You don't want to be taking trades just to take trades and you lose money. Here we go. This is Aussie dollar yen. Now, look, here's a big resistance line here, but look at this. It pierced it and it came back, so be careful here. I'm going to mark this up for you. I would take it at 76170. Take it north. Let me erase this. After the 76170, you're about 10, 11 pips away, pretty close. And you got some real estate to run, so it's good. Cad Yen, I'm in that now. I got in at 80373, so I'm a pip and a half down. That's where it's at. That's where I got in. Of course, I took it north. I had to clear my throat, I'm sorry. Let's go to Swiss yen. Same thing here, it's been testing it all day, so as soon as it breaks it, take it, but make sure it breaks it. You don't want it to come back and come down here, just take it north as soon as it breaks the highest point, you know, so just be careful. Euro, Aussie dollar. It's a good spot to take it right here. Let me see. Right there. Just take it from here. Then watch this support line. It's a big one. It made that jump. It kind of broke here, went this way, but did it ever come down from the top? Yeah, okay, so it didn't take much to bounce. Look at this. It's the only candle that I see a wick there, or a shadow, and it bounced off of this 63,170. So even though it's one, it's respecting the heck out of it. Everything kind of touched it here, so just be aware of this one. If you take it short past here, that'd be a good spot to take it. Euro pound, still moving sideways. Pound yen, still in a range. Nothing's moving. Still moved a little bit, but not much. Took one big drop and just kind of moving sideways again. So let me, I should be putting rectangles on all these that aren't a range, because just kind of lets us know how long it's been there, you know. So just be careful. It's a range. It's not really moving. This is also a range. It broke right here, but it kind of missed out and wanted to come back home, I guess. To just kind of like a head fake, but it's back in a range. So just, we need some volume. That's all we're needing. Dollar CAD. This looks like a pretty good one. It's It's a lot of mess that's got to get through. So once you see a good solid candle, take that thing short. Price action type of thing. When you see it move past this 131.895. Well, it moved out of the range for sure, but it hit this spot here. But this is let's keep this number here, 94525. It may bounce, go north. It may do a lot of things, but there's a lot of momentum coming down. So I'd keep this. Okay. Nice. This could be a good one. Once it breaks that, you're home free. $108,955. You're 3 pips away. When it breaks, take it. EuroCAD. $155, $140. You're about 10 pips away. That's a very good line to go south. Yep. Euro Swiss is still in a range. I wouldn't trade that right now. It's kind of funky. Just, I don't even want to see this. Pound Aussie dollar, still in the range. Look at that. Kind of moving sideways. I like this stuff. Pound CAD. Same thing. It's going to hit down here and bounce, so it's not a very good time to trade that either. Pounds. Same thing. Man. Well, what do you say? October, supposed to be a good month for Forex. We got a lot of time left. There's a lot of people that trade just the first 5 months of the year, and then they make all their money and they're done. So I meant, but the illustration is that you don't necessarily need a full month to, today I made 5% on the account, a little over 5%. So that's huge for one day. $5,000, $6,000, whatever it is. It's huge. So that just goes to show you Forex is here. You got to be patient. Got to let it come to you. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry there wasn't much, but that's kind of where the cookie crumbles. But anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Take care. Bye.